So welcome back. In this video we're going to quickly talk about the trapezium, which is just a small little formula we need to know. It's not too difficult at all, it's just a little bit new. Okay, so a trapezium is a shape like this, where two of the lines are parallel, so A and B here, they're parallel. So this one has length A, this one has length B, and we know the height of it. We can find the area of a shape like this. It's just A plus B, so the top and the bottom, divided by 2, and then multiply all of that by H, which is the height. Alright, so we're going to start with a really basic example. So there I scribbled the problem out pretty quickly. This one's just going to be filling in the blanks, or filling in the formula. So if I want to get the area of this trapezium, I'll just write that the area is going to be equal to, so it's A plus B divided by 2. In this case that's going to be 10 plus 18 divided by 2, multiplied by the height, which in this case is going to be 14. You're going to pop all of that into a calculator. You're going to find that it's equal to 196 centimeters squared. Alright, so that seems really easy. The trapezium generally is easy, but these videos are going to get harder. When we get to 3D shapes, they do get quite difficult. So we're just going to do the basics first, and they're going to get progressively harder. So here I just scribbled out a second quick example. In this one, we want to get the trapezium on the bottom there. So it doesn't look exactly like a trapezium, but this thing I have shaded in here in the green is a trapezium, because the top is parallel to the bottom, and they're both different lengths. Alright, so we need to find what the bottom length is so we can find the formula. So we know that the height, H, is 1.5, and the top is 2. We need to find this bottom length here. You can see this triangle here is the right angle triangle. This is 5, this is 3, and by Pythagoras we know that that's going to be 4. So hopefully you guys can recognize a 5, 4, 3 Pythagoras triangle there. So if this one, if the hypotenuse is 5, another one is 3, the last one's always going to be 4, and vice versa. So if you see those numbers on a right angle triangle, you can always just fill them in. So now we have everything we need to fill in the formula. So I'm just going to write then that the area is going to be equal to, so I'll just write out the formula quickly, A plus B divided by 2 multiplied by H. So that's going to be, in this case, it's going to be 2 plus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 1.5. Pop that into your calculator, or you can work it out yourself. It's going to be 4.5 centimeters squared. Alright, so again, area is always going to be centimeters squared, length is in centimeters, and volume is in centimeters cubed. We're going to talk about that a little bit more. That's all you really need to know about the trapezium for the moment. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video we will start looking at polygons. Alright, so they sound more complicated than they are, but we're going to look at polygons in the next few videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find them helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.